Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Matchbox to restore, and this time this is a Matchbox series ergomatic cab, which is a Layland lorry. I think this is a tank lorry, and not too bad. It's got some paint missing, and some of the wheels are a bit dodgy, and also the petrol tank container came off already. I don't know what happened. It's probably maybe the glue went off or something. So anyway, that's one thing off the car, but this is gonna be the next restoration, and hopefully this will turn out to another nice restoration project. And I have a company in mind what I want to put on this lorry, and some of you guys may not seen that oil company before, so hopefully this is going to be something interesting for you. So let's get crack on with this one and let's see how it turns out. So here we have our tanker finished, and I've decided that I'm going to do, instead of BP, I'm going to do an oral tanker. So I painted the body blue, which turned out to be nice. I had to straighten a little bit this pole here. I painted the container white as it was, and I think it looks fantastic. I did work a little bit on this smoother the edges. And I did polish up the windscreen, which looks all right now. It wasn't anyway too bad, so I just give a quick polish. I've got the base here, and I had to build this bumper here on that side because that was missing, and I think it looks all right. This is the best I could do because this was such a small bumper. And I also refurbished the wheels. They look all right now, and I straightened them up as well. So let's put the car together and let's see how does it look when it's finished. In this case, I'm going to glue the tank back on the car. I didn't drill out because this wouldn't probably hold with the screw, so I'm going to put this back with glue. So I'm going to put a little bit glue there, and then the base will go on anyway. So this I will do off camera, and the windscreen goes in, and then the base. So guys, here we have our RR lorry finished, and I think it looks fantastic. And the reason I've done the RR instead of BP is because there are plenty of BP petrol tankers around, but RR was only made for the German market. So this is, I think, more rare than the BP version or the Shell version. And I think it looks fantastic with them little stickers, which again is from Stuart. Thank you very much. He done another perfect job for me. And I think the lorry looks fantastic. It wasn't too difficult. Just a little bit the base was fragile, but apart from that, and I also had to make the bumper. But apart from that, it was pretty a fun restoration. So guys, if you like the car, if you like the lorry, please hit the like button, comment down below, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed it yet. I would like to thank all my new subscribers. I'm nearly getting to 200 subscribers now. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks coming back and visiting my channel. See you at my next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.